Hey, are you that kind of individual who possesses a high determination for all you do, whether that thing is geared towards your personal or work life? Do you love your independence to be able to freely express your ideas when opportunities arise? If this is you, stick around because I'm going to reveal some secrets you may not even know about yourself. Hey, 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 and welcome back. It's the Cosmiq Soul Plug here, yours truly. And as promised, I am back to drop another gem today. In our last session, we covered how to break down the secrets your name holds. And as a brief refresher, we discussed how your whole name is linked to your destiny. Now, we all know every empire isn't built overnight. So, as we journey further into self discovery, you'll eventually understand that everything takes patience because it's all about peeling back the layers of your personality, where you'll also find what your natural talents are, as well as the career choices you usually make. Further along, as you unveil more about yourself, you're also going to learn the things that you're afraid to face. And usually, that thing is your shadow side. Now, on that note, I want to kick things off with your very first destiny number, which is destiny number one. And if you're destiny number one, then more than likely you're a leader and decision maker. You're the kind of individual who always believe you should get your way. And in most cases, I'd agree with you. I say you actually do. I don't know if you're working some type of magic or whatever you do, but yes, you usually do get your way. Whatever career you choose, it has to be involving a company that allows room for growth and development due to you needing constant motivation to even consider staying there. And you also have the kind of mindset that absolutely craves for you to showcase how much of a genius you truly are when it comes to your problem solving abilities. Also, you're an individual who must be on the forefront when sharing innovative ideas and your visions. When it comes to your strong suit, you're an absolute mastermind when it comes to gathering people up to work in unison towards group projects. Now, if you're a destiny number one, not only do you get excited about your ideas, but when it comes down to the detail aspects of things, you can easily lose interest because this becomes a struggle area for you. Therefore, you'll do well by learning to fine tune your weaker areas when it comes down to paying attention to detail. Balance is the key here, okay? Another thing, if you're a destiny number one, you are afraid of the unknown because you become fearful of failure. You tend to become a bit of a self saboteur here when facing experiences that are foreign to you. So, your imposter syndrome kicks into high gear, and you begin to tell yourself the false belief of, I can't, which leads you to not even making the attempt to try. Also, when living out of your shadow self or shadow side, you can be very bossy, impatient, arrogant, and selfish, and use whatever influence you have for good, for evil instead of good. Now, on the lighter side of things, you do very well to learn how to embrace your leadership gifts of inspiration, of independent thinking, as well as your unique ideas. So don't be afraid to share your gifts. Lastly, if this is your number and you're living in the upright position or what we call high vibrational, then it's inevitable that you'll fall directly in alignment and use your gifts to create opportunities to fulfill your vision. So, I hope that helps someone out there in the world. And that's all I have for you today, my beautiful Cosmic Soul family. And like always, if you happen to like or love what I've been sharing on this channel, please hit that like button. Drop a positive comment down below if you wish, and a question if you have one. And share your love by subscribing to the channel, along with clicking that notification bell so you're one of the first to know whenever I upload new content here. So, on that note, I'm going to leave it here, and I'll say until next time, my beautiful Cosmic Soul family. Peace.